Today, I'm showing you how to change your Google Play Store country on your Android device. Let's get started. Important notes before starting. You'll need a valid payment method from the new country. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Step 2. Access Profile. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens your account menu. Step 3. Open Payments and Subscriptions. In the menu that appears, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. This section manages your payment methods and billing information. Step 4. Select Payment Methods. Tap on Payment Methods to view your saved payment options. Step 5. Access More Payment Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the Payment Methods page. You'll see More Payment Settings. Tap on it. Step 6. Open Google Payments. This will redirect you to Google Payments website in your default web browser. The page shows your payment profile and settings. Step 7. Open Menu. On the Google Payments page, look for the 3 horizontal lines or hamburger menu on the left side or top left corner. Tap on it to open the navigation menu. Step 8. Go to Settings. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens your Google Payments settings. Step 9. Edit Country or Region. In Settings, you'll see your current country region listed. Tap on it or tap Edit next to it. Step 10. Create New Profile. A message appears explaining that you need to create a new payments profile for the new country. This is necessary because different countries have different payment regulations. Tap Create New Profile. Step 11. Confirm creation. Another confirmation screen appears. Read the information, then tap Continue to proceed with creating a new profile. Step 12. Select New Country. A list of countries appears. Scroll through and select your desired country from the list. Tap on the country you want to change to. Step 13. Continue. After selecting your country, tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Step 14. Enter address information. Now you need to provide a valid address in your new country. Fill in the required fields. Make sure all information is accurate and matches a real address in that country. Step 15. Add payment method if required. You may need to add a payment method from the new country. This could be a credit card, debit card, or other payment option valid in that country. Enter your payment details if prompted. Step 16. Submit changes. Once you've filled in all required information, tap Submit at the bottom of the page. Step 17. Verify change. Your Google Play Store country is now changed. You'll see a confirmation message. Your location and store region are updated to your new country. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Play Store country and can now access apps and content from your new region.